Sudhiti Naman, class 12th students. I am Krishna Chet, your painting teacher. Today we will discuss different paintings of Duncan schools included in your course of study. Number 1, Ragni Pathansika. Artist unknown. Sub schools Ahmednagar, medium watercolor tempera on paper. Courtesy the National Museum, New Delhi. Subject matter. This is a vertical painting of Ragini Pathansika. It has been drawn from Rag Hans Dhwani. Description. In this painting, a lady is sitting in the center having a veena in her hands on her both left and right side. One lady is shown, both are listening to the veena. Right below, a liquor pot can be seen. An elephant having his trunk upward can be seen on the right side. The foreground is painted in red and orange colors. On the above, an umbrella is shown with same colors. Ladies are shown thin and in profile, eight chest faces. In the background, orangish red and yellow colors toms are there. The center, one blue color tom can be seen. Two dark green color toms can be also be seen on left and right sides of background. Ladies' garments are transparent, which is all from Mughal art. Ladies are thin, hard, and rhythmic. Second paintings Hazrat Nizamuddin Aulia and Amir Khusro. Artist unknown. Sub schools Hyderabad and period 1750 to 1770 AD. Medium watercolor tempera on paper. Courtesy the National Museum, New Delhi. Subject matter. This painting is based on the discussion between Hazrat Nizamuddin Aulia and Amir Khusro on a religious subjects. Amir Khusro was the student of Nizamuddin Aulia. Description. This painting of Hazrat Nizamuddin Aulia and Amir Khusro can be divided into two parts. In foreground, Hazrat Nizamuddin Aulia and Amir Khusro are sitting on roof and discuss on a religious subject. The roof has orange carpet. Both are weaving Muslim dress. Amir Khusro has a red color musical instruments in his hand. Amir Khusro's dress is of brown and green color, decorated with embroidery. Same way, Hazrat Nizamuddin Aulia shown with green dress. Hazrat Aulia's head has a yellow color ring at the back which gives orange rays. A big white beard is a Hazrat Nizamuddin Aulia and Amir Khusro beard is black. In front of them there are two gardens. In the background we can be seen the plants of flowers. Right back of Hazrat Nizamuddin Aulia is a big tree of brown color which is full of green leaves and yellow-orange flowers. Both the faces are in profile, एक chashma and डेढ़ chashma. In the center, a white colored lamp is there. And number third painting, Chan Bibi playing polo, artist unknown. Sub schools Golconda, period 18th century 1750 AD. Medium tempera watercolor on paper, courtesy the National Museum, New Delhi. Subject matter. This miniature shows Chan Bibi playing polo with her companions. This painting depicts the interest of the royal women of that time in the field of sports. Description. It is said that Chan Bibi was a great horse rider and a fine polo player. She was the sister of Nizam I of Ahmednagar and the widow of Ali Adil Shah I, the Sultan of Bijapur. In this painting, Chan Bibi and her companions are shown playing polo against a green background. The princes are mounted the on beautifully decorated horse of white, black, dark brown, and pale yellow colors. The colorful costumes and jewels covered headdresses of all princes are painted in delicately. The dresses comprise of Kagra choli. In the foreground, there is a silvery grey lotus lake with white aquatic birds, and the background has a receding plain depicting rocks, huts, hills, and trees. Chan Bibi is riding the white horse, and her companions are riding on other horses. All faces are beautiful and in profile, and well defined features, sharp nose, full lips. One lady is standing in the middle of the painting that directing the game. The ball is in white color. Two players are trying to process the ball with polo sticks forming a cross in the center of the painting. Sun is also shown in yellow color in the deep blue sky. The Persian inscription in the background reads Chagon Bazi and Chand Bibi. Thank you.